What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Milady meme coin. As you guys can see, looks like it is back on track guys. It has hit a huge green candlestick and it is up just about 34% in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be going through what is next for Milady meme coin. It has recovered quite quickly in a space of about 24 hours. So is it likely to pump up higher? Is it going to crash back down in value like it did last time, or is it going to maintain its value? So we are going to cover its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. What can we expect? And as usual, covering buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is this a crypto to be buying right now? Is it too late? Is it a crypto to be selling, or is it one to be holding on to? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, especially that we are getting very close to the resistance value here. That is a critical point, but for now I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Milady meme coin, which is here in purple, and the crypto is actually trading at much higher value here in green, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 12 to 14 hours. The graph thinks is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace. However, that is not the case. In fact, it is likely to hit a couple of red candles over the coming hours, take a little bit of a step back before pumping back up in value in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. So overall, by tomorrow afternoon, it is likely to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, in between that time, do expect it to be quite volatile with both red and green candles. But again, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days exact same. We got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking quite steep as well, just like the previous chart, meaning this is again not realistic. Exact same reason applies here guys. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to have been gone for an overall increase in value from where it is at the moment. But by the end of this week and early next week, I'm expecting it to hit red days, taking a little bit of a step back in value, a little bit of a price correction before it pumps back up in value by mid to end of next week, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. So again guys, do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side. As you guys know, red candles are always part of the process. We are also likely to see dips in between as well, just like what's happened over the last few days for Milady meme coin. It did take a little step back in value, but it has managed to pump back up. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, once again looking quite steep, but not as steep as the previous chart. So again, an overall minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting from Milady meme coin over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So late April, early May 2024, I am expecting the crypto to be trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. Reason for that is the Bitcoin halving is also coming up in April, which should have an impact not just on Milady meme coin but the crypto market in general in a positive direction. And there's been a lot of news around Bitcoin heading to a certain value by June 2024, which I will be covering in a future video, and the Bitcoin halving as well, and how it's going to have an impact on the crypto market. But so far it does seem everything to be positive, so I'm expecting Milady meme coin to be gaining value from here onwards. Again, dips, yes, we are going to see them, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are getting very close to the resistance target, and I am expecting it to resist for a couple of days by mid-March and potentially head into the green zone by late March, April and May, heading into the green zone and even getting up to the next resistance level here by early to mid-May is what I'm expecting. But I have been keeping you guys updated on a daily basis on Milady meme coin to keep you guys in the loop on if anything does change or if there's any major updates. I will let you guys know as soon as possible, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped down by 3% in the last 24 hours. However, due to the pump that's taking place right now, the trading volume is likely to head upwards, heading over $15-20 million over the coming hours, as we are likely to see more and more people trading the crypto, especially that it keeps on pumping right now, is likely to gain a lot more attention and a lot of hype around it from both buyers and sellers point of view, which in return is also helping the value of Milady meme coin pump up in value higher than where it is at the moment. So a lot of people have been saying, can the crypto potentially hit 0.00001 cents? That basically means getting rid of 2 zeros, guys. Yes, it is performing quite well over the month. It has gained over 170% in value. However, for it to get rid of 2 zeros is going to require a long time, guys. It's not as easy as it seems. So not this year, potentially not even next year, guys. It's going to take a couple of years for it to get rid of 2 zeros. However, what we want to see is a slow and steady increase in value, which makes the crypto much more sustainable and quite realistic as well. So yes, I'm expecting increases in value for majority of the year, but not getting rid of 2 zeros, guys, not at the moment anyway. Let me know in the comment section down below your takes and your predictions on Milady meme coin. How high or how low can it go? Are you guys buying, selling or holding on to it? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.